Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll be solving a classic coding problem, checking if a number integer is a palindrome or not. A number is considered a palindrome if it reads the same backward as well as forward. So let's dive into the code and understand how it works. Example 1 shows that the input is 121, which is said to be true because if it is read from the forward and read from the backwards, it results the same. If we see the example 2, it is minus 121, which will be false, obviously, because as we can see that reading from the left to the right, it reads as minus 121. From right to left, it becomes 121 and a minus. So therefore, it is not a palindrome. And if we talk about example 3, in which the input is 10, it is 10 to be false because it reads 0 1 from right to left, and therefore it is not a palindrome. From the starting, our first condition will be any number which has to be greater from 0 or which doesn't ends with 0 has to be false, obviously. We'll originally initialize it from x. We'll use a while loop where we'll extract the last digit. We use x at the rate 10 to get the last digit of x. Then we'll build the reverse number multiplying by 10 and add the extracted digit to it. Then removing the last digit, we use integer division. We remove the last digit from the x. Now at the final, we will be returning the original, which is equals to reverse number. Here are some example usages where we are putting some integer values which will be running in this whole solution algorithm. If we run this, as you can see that the test case for 1 is 121, which is obviously true. For the second, it's false, and for the third, it's also false, because as we can see that over here 121 can be read from the forward as well as from the backwards. In the case 2, x minus 121 cannot be read backwards and frontwards because there is a minus operand over here. And in the case 3, that's obvious, we cannot read it backwards because there's a 0. If the digit would be 101, then it might be a palindrome, but for this case it's not. So thank you guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.